لكم ذنوبكم ومن يطع الله ورسوله فقد فاز فوزا عظيما يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون ثم أما بعد فإن أصدق الحديث كتاب الله وخير الهدي هدي نبينا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وشر الأمور محدثاتها وكل محدثة بدعة وكل بدعة ضلالة وكل ضلالة في النار. أيها الأحبة الأكارم، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أمركم الله أفيكم الله سيوسف يسكرين وبتشوفون مسلمين تبصرون وبتشوفون مسلمين تباركون أفيكم الله عليكم يا رب ونشكر عليكم محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى تبع الصحابة الذين قاموا معه في ساعة الصعب والسهل وأتمنى تعلم بفاتح فرق وأتمنى من فاتح كلي عليكم يا رب ورحمكم ولا أو أفنسكم منكم واسد على أخوان أو مثل بيدك قوار أو تلو أخوة في أبناء الشيخ بسوا أعوذ بالله ونحن أنفسنا وقواتنا بالله أكبر ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم. All praise is due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Lord of the world, who is beneficent and most merciful. Let his salutation be upon our Prophet Muhammad, his household companions, to the day of reckoning. What we've been discussing about is the lessons from Suratu Yusuf. In that we pass on, that we look at only in our work. Suratu Yusuf, tí a ti ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn àlàyé lórí Surah náà. Bíbí ọlọ́run Allah, ògbé Surah náà kọ́ ọmọ ènìyàn lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Bíbí àjò ìdá èyí gbogbo àtàfẹ́ ní ìlànà ìṣẹ́ lọ́pọ̀lẹ̀ inú ìdíyàn. Kẹ̀rẹ̀ àjò ìdá láyé ìṣẹ́ gbójútì náà lọ́rùn ìtàkọ́ fẹ́lẹ̀. Kẹ̀rẹ̀ àjò ìdá láyé oníṣàláì máa pàdé àdáwò. Kẹ̀rẹ̀ àjò ìdá láyé oníṣàláì máa pàdé tí ó mú wá àti tí ó mú ìgbàgbọ́. The lessons from this particular surah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made it for us to be able to understand life entirely. That when this life draws an happiness, it will surely bring to you sadness. Tí ayé bá mú ìrìnà wáyé into kanáà kama the challenge that Yusuf had faced most of his life, what that of in which he faced from his siblings, which he faced from women, which he landed into the prison. Now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has taken him out from the prison, which he has made him has made him a minister or the storekeeper of Egypt. Ọlọ́run ti ṣe àdánwò Yusuf alayhi salam pẹ̀lú gbogbo àdánwò tó bá pàdé lágbègbè ọmọ ìyá, èyí tó bá pàdé lágbègbè olóbìnrin lé, èyí tó bá pàdé níbi pé ó sọ sínú ẹ̀wọ̀n. Nísìnyí ọlọ́run àwọn àti wà mú kúrò nínú ẹ̀wọ̀n, ó ti wá fi sí ipò ńlá. Ipò ńlá tó lọ wá gbé àdánwò Yusuf sí. Àwọn ọmọ ìyá rẹ̀ tí wọ́n pàtì láti tí wọ́n gbèrò pé gbogbo tọ́lọ́run ti gbà nínú wa Yusuf. You know, sometimes you see some people, they want to die. They will never want to rise. They will never want you to be whoever, whatever you want to be. Their intention is to always temper you. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will surely raise you. That is it. No matter whoever is creating an obstruction, no matter whoever is creating a barrier to your success or to your achievement, or for you to be a person in life, just keep praying. You surely get to wherever you want to be in life. Gbogbo ìdíwọ́ tó bá lè gbogbo máa yẹ orí kó máa yẹ orí lọ́tún tó bá lè máa yẹ orí lọ́tún ìwọ́sá máa ṣàdọ́ àti ẹ̀rọ. Ìwọ́sá máa ṣe do whatever you do, you can do as prayer to seek for Allah's guidance, to seek for Allah's protection. Just keep praying. That was what Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam did. Now, his brothers, which they want him there, are now back to Egypt, seeking for food. I want to walk their name with him to listen. Oúnjẹ tó ti ń bẹ́ẹ̀lẹ̀ níbi lọ́dọ̀ àwọn àdẹ́gbà Yusuf tó yẹ kó náà ní mójú tó oúnjẹ náà. You see, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala plan things in a way that you can never think of. They've never, in any way, it never occurred to them that they will later meet Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. Even though they think of meeting Prophet Yusuf, it will never occur to them that they are going to meet him in that kind of position. Because their intention was that he was sold as a slave. So what would be in their expectation is to see him, if whatever they want to see him, they should see him as a slave. But now Prophet Yusuf is now a noble man in Egypt. Anabi Yusuf ti dé yẹn ńlá nínú Egypt. Ó ti dé yẹn ńlá bí ẹgbọ́n gan ẹni tó di ẹrú tẹ́lẹ̀ tí wá di ọmọ lábí bí ẹgbọ́n náà wá ń kọ̀ntró ẹrú. Ẹni tó àwọn èèyàn ti fojú wò ní tẹ́lẹ̀ ó náà ti wá padà dé yẹn ńlá tó náà wá di pé ó ń kọ̀ntró àwọn èèyàn. Allah said in the last verse which we experienced today, Allah said, نَرْفَعُ دَرَجَاتٍ مَنْ نَشَاءُ. We raise in English whom we will. Allah máa ń fẹ́ tó bá ti wù lóṣòṣókè ìjọba tó bá ti wọ́n lọ́wọ́ bá máa ń gbé ga. Sometimes you want to be aspiring for greatness. Sometimes you want to be in a very high position. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sometimes He wants the best, but most times He wants the best for you. Allah wants the best for you. A máa ń wò pé ìwòlá ẹ̀lá máa ń wò. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wá ní sí òtíṣẹ́ tí aláàdínà lókè wà gbogbo náà ló gbà wà bẹ̀. Àmọ́ ọlọ́run ti ní lẹ́rù fún àwọn dára jẹ́ àti ìgbàlẹ̀ṣà. Ọlọ́run máa ń fẹ́ tó bá ti wò sókè aláàrẹ ìṣòro ìgbìyànjú. In tó bá ń gbọ́ ọlọ́run fà sókè. Whichever the position you find yourself, what you just need to do is just to appreciate Allah by saying Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alamin. Ipò tí ẹ̀dá bá ti bára rẹ̀ kò sí tó gbọdọ̀ sí àkókò dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́. Àyíkẹ́ ẹ̀dá bá ti bára rẹ̀ àkókò dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́ fún Allah. Torí ìgbésí ayé tá ń lò yìí, àwọn akọ́lá ní ọlọ́run ló ṣẹ̀dá rẹ̀. Lọ́lọ́run ti ní náà fún ọ̀dà àjá tí wọ́n nẹ́ṣà ẹni tó bá ti kọ́ lọ́wọ́ bá ń gbé ga. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala raised the position of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. While his brothers, his siblings are now looking up to him, yet they don't know his identity. His identity is yet to be known to them. His identity is yet to be known to them. But at this particular situation in which we are, is that Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam has made it known to his brother, Bunyamin, what other brothers did to him. But Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam made it known to Bunyamin that he's going to find any means to retain Bunyamin in Egypt. But now how Prophet Yusuf planned it was he kept the measurement in which they used to measure his food to people. He kept it in the bag of his brother, in the loads of his brother. They were finding it inside others, they are finding it in their loads, but they couldn't find it, but they brought it out of Bunyamin's loads. Now, they found it. What the brother said, قالوا أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
يوسف في نفسه ولم يبدها لهم قال أنتم شر مكانا والله أعلم بما تصفون قالوا يا أيها العزيز إن له أبا شيخا كبيرا فخذ أحدنا مكانا إن نراك من المحسنين قال معاذ الله أن نأخذ إلا من وجدنا متاعنا عنده إنا إذا لظالمون. Now, since they found the measure which they were looking for, they found it inside Prophet Yusuf's brother, which is Umaamah. They found it there. All the brothers now said, in Yasri, Allah Akbar. If he steals, go by Jali, go by Joli, Umaamah, but all the son of Warahmotullah will but ignore the next Jali. It means if Umaamah are still, a brother of his has stolen before. See that statement. Not knowing they were in the front of Yusuf alayhi salam. Not knowing they were in the front of Yusuf. Sometimes someone will be talking to you at your face indirectly, but you might not know. Sometimes you will know, as a sensible person, just keep quiet. As a sensible person that wants peace, just keep quiet to know the outcome of that situation. What the brother said in yesterday, if he steals, his brother has stolen before. See that kind of statement? So abusive. Saying it to Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, but what they don't know is Prophet Yusuf is the one in the front of that. But sometimes you have to apply senses in most situations. But what Prophet Yusuf did was فَأَسَرَّ يُوسُفُ فِي نَفْسِهِ وَلَمْ يُبْدِهَا لَهُ. Yusuf kept it to himself and never opened up to them, never said anything. And then Yusuf also can't over a more or less. He kept what they said. To my day and to my day on an anti-maboso. But according to the narration, they said Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam was once lived with one of his uncles. And then Yusuf would get back to a corner and when living with that person, not that Prophet Yusuf stole, there is this one of their idols. Prophet Yusuf took it, but they were looking for it inside. But when Prophet Yusuf came back, after he has played around, so they now found the small idol in his pocket. That was what his brothers were using against him at that particular moment. He has a brother that has stolen before, so they flash back to many years ago. At this particular moment, when Prophet Yusuf was closing to 50 years of age, see what they now come back from when he was so young. So, some people won't forget what we've done in the past. You see what is happening in the politics life, Nigeria political life presently. What has happened in the past, they are now digging. They are digging the past of some politicians presently, which they are using against them. Some people will use your past against you. They are trying to use Yusuf's past against his brother, not Yusuf in particular. They are using Yusuf past, and they believe that, okay, if his brother has stolen before, definitely he also can steal. Wọ́n gbàgbọ́ pé tí ó bá ti mú ẹ̀gbọ́n rẹ̀ jalè yàá, ó rọrùn fóun náà jalè. They are trying to keep themselves away from that act. Wọ́n fẹ́ yọra wọn. Ọ̀rẹ́, it's on that you will call some people your friend. When it comes to a certain situation, they will withdraw their matter. They will withdraw their matter from you. That is why I said several times, always be kind and be honest. Be a trustworthy person. In this kind of situation, though we knew that this is a loss from Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, plan ni Anabiwa Yusuf ni láti dá àbúrò rẹ̀ tí ń ṣe Bùnyámínì láti dá àbúrò mọ́lẹ̀ tẹ̀lé padà. But Anabi Yusuf àtọ́ sọ gbọ́nà wí fọ́nà ní aláwọ̀. Anabi Yusuf for because he never see anything. He never opened up to them. All the antum shabu makana. What he said is you are worse than position. That was what Prophet Yusuf said to them. You are worse people. What only Allah knows what you are describing. Only Allah knows what you are talking about. What are you saying? He says someone knows something, you are dividing to another person. You are referring to someone else. So they now try to face Yusuf, but Aziz. In Egypt at that particular time, someone whoever they call Al-Aziz is the second in position to the king. Second in position to the king is the one called Al-Aziz. They now said, Ya Al-Aziz, oh Al-Aziz, Inna lahu aban shaykhan kabira. He is indeed as an elderly father. He has a father, an old man. Take one of us in his place. Just leave him. Because what is happening here is because the oath in which they made with their father, they made an oath by Allah with their father. What in here they would want to do Baba or no action you want. Body Baba money here go to Yami long, we are a yasha. Can go to Yami, nobody intention for Yusuf. Can to one minute and go to my father, we are a yasha. Àmọ́ tó wá máa wọn náà tún fẹ́ tẹ́rù fi bá wọn pé à ṣẹ́ẹ̀tì wá mọ́ òkùnrin àmì ìpẹ́ kí láà tún fẹ́ sọ fún bàbá wa ta bá dédé. What are we going to tell our father again when we get home? That was why they said, take one of us in his replacement. We've seen you as someone that does good. We see you as a good one. Arikun dada ni ẹ̀ṣánú wa ìgbẹ̀bẹ́gì Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. Ìgbẹ̀bẹ́gì Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. Ọ̀tá àdébàtà bẹ̀rẹ̀ your enemy will usually beg you. Your enemy, someone, you know what you just need. Just be a trustworthy person, be kind and be honest. You will live a peaceful life. You will live a life that has no worry. Because you will be worthless about anything. Because your mind will be free that you did not do anything bad. Oh, why? Oh, say you bad thing again. That is what you need as a Muslim. That is how you can live a peaceful life. But when you are thinking, if you drop back to someone, you will be guilty in any situation. Even though you are not the culprit. Even though you have not done it, but that's kind of guilt will be unto you. That kind of guilt will be unto you. But what Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam said, Allah, he said, I seek refuge in Allah. And we can't take anyone except someone that will sin our property with him. The money that can let me know how many times we do our Lord. And he told Daddy Lamamu. Give many tell me till Daddy and told Daddy Lamamu. For all their pleading, don't forget Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. This is his plot. This is his plan. This is what he planned in order to retain his brother. In order to retain his brother in Egypt, for him not to follow them back again. Prophet Yusuf is now enjoying, he's in control of everything in Egypt. So he wants his brother also to feel the wealth. Help your brother, help your family. Don't expect them to ask from you. Ask them about their situation. Ask them what they need. Ask them what they want. What is your situation, brother? What are you doing now? What's wrong? Come and see me. Let's know what is going on. Talk to them, ask about the situation. That was what Prophet Yusuf first asked Bunyamin. Know about what are they facing, what are the challenges. If you are capable of that, solve it for them. Ìgbà míì owó kọ́lẹ̀ yẹn fi ń ṣàánú. Ọ̀pọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ yẹn ń ṣàánú ní àwọn bí kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Báwo la ṣe àkíní òkè báwọn olóòrẹ́ kò ṣiṣẹ́ rí ìwé àwọn àmì ìpapọ̀ ó ti tẹ́. Mo mẹ́rin kan tó mọ̀ pa kí ní ìwé àwọn àmì ẹjọ́ mọ́ ṣe ó ti tẹ́. Kìí ṣọ̀rọ̀ owó. Some people expect, my brother is so wealthy, my brother has so many property, he should give me one house, he should give me one man. Who will do that for you? He will never do that. That is human being for you. Only who can do that are, let me say, 2 in 100 can buy a house, big house for his brother, give him money, give him car, give him everything. Only 1 in 100. I don't know, maybe some of you might have encountered such person. But what I will tell you is that you as a brother, if Allah give you an opportunity, assist others. Prophet Yusuf never looked down on his brother. When he knew he was in a certain position, and know that he did not help other brothers, immediately they got to Egypt second time. He gave them food. He gave them food. He set a very loaded table with food. He set it for them eating. That was when he called on Bunyamin. And they discussed. Bunyamin said to Yusuf what they were going through at home. And Yusuf also said to Bunyamin what his brothers has done to him in the past. Bunyamin was so angry. But he said, don't tell them, don't even open up to them, but don't worry, I know how to get you back. You will follow them again. That was what brought this plot. In a situation, wọ́n wá tó ẹrù wọ́n rí nǹkan ẹrù Bunyamin káwọn ẹ̀kọ́ tí wọ́n ti jẹun tí wọ́n ti yóò bá kọ́ nígbà wọ́n jẹun tán tí wọ́n yóò tán wọ́n mọ̀ yẹ̀mọ́ wọ́n ti fẹ́ ti Bunyamin dà tí ó bá ń ṣe pé wọ́n rántí àdéhùn tí wọ́n bá wà bá ń ṣe. If they not remember an agreement, the oath in which they made with their father, wọ́n bá ti gbé Bunyamin náà lẹ́nu tó sá lọ wọ́n tó lọ bá yé ti wọ́n lọ. What they brought to Yusuf, what they did to Yusuf. Call them around, and then Yusuf here. I'm wise of God, I'm wise of God, and now وجدت ما جعلنا أعلم وين كانوا يو أفهم تابعني بيا الله. We won't take anyone except someone that will farm our property in his room. Inna what they said is that indeed we would then be unjust. It means Prophet Yusuf said, if we agreed to take one of you and give you Bunyamin, you should take Bunyamin, it means we are the wrong ones. We've done the wrong, we are unjust in this situation. So we have to just by taking the person that has stolen our property. We have to, sometimes have to do something in a reasonable, in a sensible way. You have to do something in a reasonable and a sensible way. That was what Prophet Yusuf did in this situation. If he's trying to tell them, I want Bunyamin to stay, they won't allow. They will disagree totally. But he made it in a way that they will have no choice. Since it is in the rule of the Egypt that when someone steals, it has to be retained and be questioned before he's going to be jailed. Later, after that, this thing now happened to Prophet Yusuf and his brother. So he used the opportunity to retain Bunyamin in Egypt. Now, فَلَمَّا اسْتَيْأَسُوا مِنْهُ خَلَصُوا نَجِيًّا. So when they are losing hope in this situation, they are in despair that, are we going to leave Bunyamin and go? We had an agreement with our father. They now call themselves, they are now having meetings with themselves. They secluded themselves in private consultations. They are now having meetings with themselves. They are now having a conversation. The helpless amongst them said, in the history they said it's Sharon. There's one of Yusuf's brother that is named Sharon. Is the one that said, okay, أَلَمْ تَعْلَمُوا أَنَّ أَبَاكُمْ قَدْ أَخَذَ عَلَيْكُمْ الْفِرَاقَ. He's now reminding them, do you not know that your father has taken upon you an oath? You made an oath with your father. I said it yesterday, I will explain the consequence, the penalty of you swearing by Allah on something that is not true. Kana Purano in Kente Sododo, or Dan Islam, offensive to Lagarani, offensive to Lagarani, swearing by Allah on something that is not true. You said something that is not true, the first offense is you are going to feed 10 poor people. And if you couldn't do that, you have to free a slave. If you can't do that, you have to fast for 3 days consecutively. Of your own, Mufti was making jest of us one of his sermon when I listened to it. He said he got to Nigeria. When he got to Nigeria, someone is now swearing by Allah and he's now saying wallahi Allah. He was like, wow, why? What he knew is that we say wallahi, but in Nigeria we've upgraded. We combine everything together, every form of swearing by Allah, we combine it together. Not knowing the gravity of what you are saying, not knowing the consequence of what you say. Even though the non-Muslims are responding to something, they also swear with. And we care not, we don't know the consequence of what we say. So we should be careful with that. So Prophet and the brothers now call themselves together to make a discussion, to have a discussion. But when they were discussing, the elders amongst them reminded them that, have you forgotten that we made an agreement, we swear by Allah, we make an oath by Allah with our father. Warahmotullah for Yusuf, have you forgotten what you did to Yusuf? Allah. The elders brother reminded them what they did to Yusuf. Because they also believe that how are we going to reach you without telling our father now that Bunyamin did not come back home with us. How are we going to say it? So the eldest is reminding them that, in this situation, فَلَنْ أَبْرَحَ الْحَرْضُ حَتَّى يَأْذَنِ. He said, I will never leave this land. I will never leave this land حَتَّى يَأْذَنِ لِي أَبِي, until my father permits me to come home. Until my father permits me to come home. If you do it, I will keep about me in your body. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala decide for me. I said about istikhara some days ago. You can't decide for yourself. Only Allah knows what is the best for you. So let Allah choose for you. The eldest brother also said, Allahu, or Allah decide for me. Because He is the best of judges. Allah so don't think you can do it yourself. Most of we Muslims are going to Surah, believe me, they are going to solve our problem. They are adding to it. They are adding to it because I've said it that when Muhammad said, whoever goes to the soothsayer or the fortune teller and believe in what they said, Allah said, he has disbelieved for what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has revealed to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Which simply means he has not been kafir. You went there, you went to soothsayer, Ànábì ní irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ ti di kèfèrí sí tí wọ́n sọ kalẹ̀ wà Ànábì yẹn ti di kèfèrí lódodo tí ó sì èké kìí ọ. So ask about your religion, know more about your religion. Know more about your religion. And there's another narration that says, whoever goes to the soothsayer, وَلَمْ يُصَدِّقُهُ, but you do not believe them, but you went there. Prophet Muhammad said, لَمْ تُقْبَلْ لَهُ صَلَاةَ أَرْبَعِينَ يَوْمًا. Allah will not accept your 40 days prayer. Ìrun 40 days lọ́lọ́run nígbà lọ́wọ́ ní tó bá ti ẹ̀lọ́ sí olóò fẹ́ tẹ̀sì ẹ̀wò kò fẹ́ mọ̀ bóyá wọ́n ṣe lóòtọ́ bóyá ó ti ẹ̀rí ìdí àpò ti ẹ̀rí ó fẹ́ lọ tẹ̀sì ẹ̀wò ìrun 40 days lọ́lọ́run nígbà lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀. Tọ́kọ̀ ẹwà balẹ̀ pé ìtò kí gan tí ó tẹ̀ tí lọ sọ́rọ̀ ìlú tọ́kọ̀ ẹ balẹ̀ pọ́lọ̀ ń gbà lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀. Ó tún wá lọ sọ́rọ̀ ìlú ó tún ìrun 40 days ó tún ṣe lóko ó tún pọ̀lọ̀ mọ́kì. And you must not be on this earth without observing your salah. Oh, but wallahi like you, Musliman came on Muslim. So the elder said, "Oh Allah should decide for me. Khairan, because it's the best of judges. So let Allah decide for you in every decision you want to make." Change the àbí mọ́ ṣe ṣe lọ́nà àbí mọ́tọ̀ jẹ́kọ́lọ̀ mẹ́ decide rẹ̀. So people want to embark on a certain journey, they will now call up their soothsayer, they will call on their fortune teller that I want to embark on a journey, should I go or should I not go? Are they your God? Someone of them already. Báwo ni wọ́n ti sọ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ pẹ̀lú àjùmọ̀ lọ? Allah, you should ask for his guidance. Ọmọdé kò bèrè, ó tó ẹ sọ́nà. Ọlọ́run kò bèèrè dáàbòbò rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀. Ọlọ́run kò bèèrè dáàbòbò rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀. Ask for Allah's protection. Give the Allah, He will surely protect you. He will surely protect you. So as a Muslim, live a life in submitting yourself totally to the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Live a life in believing in yourself. Live a life in believing in your Creator. Live a life in worshiping only one Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And live a life while being an honest. Live a life while being kind. Live a life while being a trustworthy person. That is how you can get to your destination. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us and protect us. Inshallah we will see tomorrow. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi. أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.